Alright, let's talk about Rimowa today. More specifically about my Trunk S. I took it on its first trip a few weeks ago. Flight to my destination was fine. Flight back a bit more worse. So it got quite a bit of damage, as you can probably see. There's a lot of damage right here, like it is scratched all the way through the plastic. So this is actually plastic, which, come on Rimowa, you should make this out of aluminum. Same for the lock, it just got scratched up, and here as well. But that's not the worst part. The worst part is this. As you can see, that's not how it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. So my wheel no longer works, which was a quite a bummer if you're gonna have a long walk on the airport. Got quite a bit of damage here as well, and I have quite a fair dent right here. But probably you should have seen the other suitcase, because this thing just is quite sturdy all in all. I have a bigger trunk, and that one has way less damage this time. Anyways, we're here to repair it, so let's get right into it. So when I noticed the damage, I asked KLM, "Oh, you've damaged my suitcase, so I'm gonna have to get this repaired." And they agreed that they would repair it. And so I've asked Rimowa, "Can you repair my suitcase?" And they said, "Yeah, sure, no thing. Can you just bring it to the store and we'll repair it?" The nearest store is like 100 kilometers away from me, so I was like, yeah, maybe you can just send the parts. And look what they've done. They've sent me the part, which I need, which is great. So let me just quickly show you. Well, we're gonna discover together how it's done. There was also a screw, and you need a T20 Torx in order to fit the screw. So what I'm guessing is this is just a simple screw. Yep, yeah, that's coming off nicely. Okay, done. We take the wheel with the new screw. We just pop the screw right in, and probably that's it. Yeah, definitely don't need to go to the store for that. Okay, nice, that's fixed. Much better. So now for the second part, the handle. They've also sent me the handle, which is awesome. The handle, one side is flexible and the other one is spring loaded, so you're gonna have to pay attention to that. And there's 4 screw holes, and they also sent me 6 screws, so I guess maybe there's 2 more, or maybe there's just 2 spares. Let's find out if we can also fix this ourselves, probably, because they didn't even send any instructions. Screws are right here. It's the same T20 Torx bit, so let's get into it. Let me see if I can show it better. It looks like it's just, the screws are right there. They seem to align. Yeah, so it's probably just 4 screws, but it is weird that they've sent me a different color screw. Let's see, let's unscrew that screw. See what we get. The screws are firm, but that's probably because they're quite snug in the plastics. Alright. This is a bit weird. They sent these are the ones that I just unscrewed, and these are the ones that they've sent. And they appear to be a different size, so I'm just gonna reuse these. Moment of truth, let's see what comes out. Yeah, it does. Yeah, you can clearly see the damage. I don't know, it's just plastics, but since KLM is paying for it and they damaged this badly and it's a brand new suitcase, I'm thinking, well, you know, might as well just replace this. You can see it's pretty bad. They should have made this out of aluminum. That would have lasted way longer. This is just plastic. I don't know, maybe someone can make a mold and make these out of aluminum. If you can, let me know. I'm happy to share this part with you. So let's see if we can get this part back on there. This might be trickier, but it's probably gonna be fine. Yep, it's right into place. Okay, let me just first put a screw in here before this one comes out. Alright, now I am struggling a bit with this one. And I am not sure why. Well, you know what? I'm just going to put one screw in. Let's see if by putting some tension on it. Because this part is just not seating right now. Now if I get one part to seat, then the other part doesn't want to seat, so not sure. Yeah, so just putting the second screw in there, it just pulls it in, but it didn't snap as the other one did. Right, so that's all fine and dandy now then. Yep, that's fixed. Looks a heck of a lot better now with this fixed. And it rolls again. If you have the option, ask Rimowa to send you the parts instead of going to the store, because I've never done this before and it took me like 10 minutes even with filming this and making sure that you guys can see it. So if you have any questions about this process or about this suitcase in general, or if you want me to do a full review on it, leave a comment down below. Happy to answer any questions, and thank you for watching.